In this video, we will discuss setting chair presets using the DS7 touchscreen. Warning: ensure that the patient is positioned safely before using the manual or preset chair controls. Never leave the patient unattended while the chair is in motion. Always take extra care with small children and patients with limited mobility. To stop the chair at any point during preset movement, select any chair positioning button on the foot switch or touch control. Begin by moving the chair to the desired position for the preset being programmed. Notice how the chair icon moves to reflect the chair's current position. Once the chair is in the desired position, press and hold the preset you would like to save the position to. Notice that the preset icon changes to reflect the saved chair position. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.